How to create TikTok account. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create TikTok account. TikTok is a social media platform that allows users to create, share and discover short videos. If you want to create TikTok account, first of all you need to download TikTok application on your mobile device. Now once it is downloaded, tap on the application to open it. Soon after opening your account, at the bottom right, you will find the profile icon. Tap on the profile icon and you will reach to this page. Here in this pop-up window at the very bottom, you will find sign up option. Tap on this option and now here you will be prompted to enter your phone number. Also select the correct country code from here. At the bottom, you will also get other sign up options like email, Facebook and Google account. If you prefer using them, you can tap on them in order to sign up for TikTok. If you prefer using phone number instead, then in this box you need to enter your phone number. After entering your phone number, at the bottom you will find continue button. Tap on this button and now after doing it, you will be prompted to solve the puzzle. Here drag the slider to fit in this puzzle and once done, the verification will be complete. After successful verification, now 6-digit code will be sent to your mobile number. Once you get that code, enter it in this required field. And once you have entered it, now you will be prompted to add your birthday. Use the slider to choose the birthday. After setting the birthday, tap on this next button right here. After that, at the bottom you will see this pop-up window. Here you need to grant permission to access your contacts. Tap on this allow option. And now you need to create a strong password for your TikTok account. Make sure your password meets all the criteria presented here. Your password should require 8 characters or more than that with the letter, number and the special character. Once your password meets all the requirements, now tap on this next button at the bottom. Here if you prefer adding a nickname for your account, you can add it here. If not, you can also tap on the skip button at the top. After entering your nickname, tap on this continue button. So by following these steps, you should be able to create TikTok account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.